Oh, that would be a steep climb, Ronsky, later. Whoops! Whoop. No, it's a trail. Oh. Oh, careful in here, Ronsky. It's soft snow. Oh! Holy Dana. I know. It's a little bit slippery. Can do it. I think there might be a way over here. Whew. A little bit tight. Oh, I can see some tracks here. Maybe a big cat. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, no. Okay, I think we can't go down here anymore. Yeah. Just wait. Just stay there for a sec. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, that's so pretty. Let me just try going in there, okay?
Be careful.
Just stay there.
Yeah, I don't want to go there. I'm so heavy.
No, you're not.
Watch.
Woo! Oh, look at this. Wow.
Okay. Are you gonna try to go there?
Oh my God. Oh, that is so pretty, you guys. Oh. Wow. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, wow. You need to come here, Rona, so you can see this. This would be so pretty during summer too. Wow. Hi, Ronsky.